Ever written a blog and thought, that's it, just one piece of content? What if I told you that from one blog you can create all your content for all your marketing needs? The digital world is noisy. Every day the internet is flooded with pieces of content. Standing out is tough, but creating freshly and engaging content, that's really a challenge. You spend hours, maybe days crafting your blog post, but this is just one piece of content, just one drop in the ocean. And with so many platforms out there like YouTube, TikTok, newsletters, and so on, it feels almost impossible to keep up. What if I told you there's a smarter way, a way to maximize this one blog post of yours and to create unlimited pieces of content of it? So let's break it down, and I also share with you a tip and a tool to create the unlimited content that you need for your marketing from just one blog post. Number 1, newsletter. Summarize your blog, add some behind the scene insights, and send your weekly newsletter to your audience. And we use for this just regular ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT, copy paste. Let's go to ChatGPT, and then I say create a short and engaging newsletter about this blog. So ChatGPT and creating a newsletter from your blog is just one way to create unlimited content. So let's dive into number 2, and that is web text or FAQ or other kinds of text that you can use on your website just using from your blog. Of course, your blog is on your website, but still you can use a lot of the text from it on other parts of your website. So let's use copy.ai. So this is copy.ai. I just copy pasted the same blog, and then I use the prompt make from the text below a FAQ for my website, and I just hit enter. FAQ, how educators are using ChatGPT. How are educators using ChatGPT in the classroom? How doesn't it? Okay, so here we've created from that same blog an FAQ for your website. And perhaps they can use this also for social media posts. Just thinking. Oh, by the way, if you like to stay updated about AI and your business, please subscribe to AI Adventures Insights, where I share every week 3 insights about AI and how to use it in your business. You can subscribe via the link that you can find in the description of this video. Let's continue to number 3. Number 3, turn your blog post into a video script. Highlight the main points and some visuals, and tada, you have a YouTube video. So I use ChatGPT for this, and I will write down make a video script and add some prompts for mid-journey visuals to make the video scripts more visual. Please use this text to create the video script. So again, I use the same blog, and I put it in ChatGPT, and it starts already. I really love this. Educators around the world are discovering the power of ChatGPT to accelerate student learning. Visual montage of teachers from various backgrounds working on computers and interacting with students. So it creates a script just out of your blog. Of course, you need to record it, but there is a way that you don't even need to record or to film somebody or need a studio or a camera. There is also a possibility to just do everything with AI, which I will cover later in this video, so stay tuned. Oh, and don't worry about AI, it will only make us better at doing our work. If you are afraid or have some fears about AI, I've created a video where I debunk the 3 biggest fears and myths about AI, which you can watch over here. Okay, so let's go to number 4. When you've created the video, you of course want video snippets where you share the juicy insights directly with your viewer. And before AI, you need an editor and to cut it, but now you have AI to do this for you. So you go to Opus Clip. And this is an example of Opus Clip. Here is a video, I think around 7 minutes, and I just put the link in it. That's it. And then it collects all these videos, or create all these videos, and including subtitles. And that's really nice, which will save you a lot of time. And you also get a score. Here they say how viral it can be. Of course, you can take this with a grain of salt, if that's the right phrase. But it's very easy to just create more content from that same blog. And before I share with you how you can create video with only using AI, so no lighting, camera, studios, people, etc., I'd like to share with you the last one, and that is to create a podcast of your blog. And therefore we go to Murph. Here we are, Murph. That's a text to audio feature, and I will put the same blog into Murph, and then I will just say play. PT to accelerate student learning. Okay, this sounds a bit fake, so let's try Ava.
Hi, I'm Ava, the most versatile American voice in Murph.
Hi, this is Ethan. I am among the professional Canadian voices in Murph.
Let's try Canadian, why not? Okay, so the pitch, we could change the bit. So let's do a little bit higher. The speed, a little bit higher. And then let's play.
We're sharing a few stories of how educators are using ChatGPT to accelerate student learning and some prompts to help
Listen, maybe this is not your accent or type, but I just like to show you that AI is amazing at creating from text something totally different, in this case audio. So you can just use this tool to create a podcast, and then you can put it on Spotify and you can reach another audience on a different channel, or you can share it in your email so that people can listen to it, or you can use it internally. And that's the amazing thing of these AI tools. It's very easy, and it removes a lot of bullshit jobs of putting this in that, and you can create the maximum out of one blog post. Cool, eh? If you like to stay updated about using AI in your business, please subscribe to my AI Adventures Insights, where you get every week an update about 3 AI insights that I discovered or experienced, and you stay updated and at the frontier of using AI in your business to get that advantage over your competition. So earlier I told you that you can create a video with just using AI. This is how you do it. You get your blog, you put the text into D-ID. Here you can see it. Then I've uploaded a picture from Midjourney, that's this one. And then I added the text in here. I chose a voiceover, and then you hit generate video. And what this does, I'm out of credits and I don't want to buy credits at this moment. It creates a video just from a text and a still picture. And then you get these kind of examples.
Into the magical world of the Mindflow Festival, September 9th, 2023. Extend the enchantment of late summer and
So you've created from just the blog text a picture in Midjourney, and then you edit in D-ID, and then this picture starts to talk. The mouth is moving, and you've just created a video just with an image and some text. And of course, if you like, you can go to beethoven.ai and you can create your own audio using AI, and then you've just created a video from your blog without using any camera materials, people, sound, etc., just with AI. So the next time you write a blog, it's not just one blog, it's a goldmine. You can create unlimited content from it. I just shared some examples. There are more ways to create more content out of it, but then the video will take a lot longer. So when you write a blog, just think of the possibilities AI can give you. For now, I leave you with two options. You can watch this video where I explain how to use AI for video scripts, or you can watch the other video where I explain the 10 challenges for businesses using AI.